Hello students. Today we are going to read our lesson 4 and the name of the lesson is Albert Einstein at School. This lesson is written by Patrick Pringle. Who is this Patrick Pringle? Patrick Pringle is a writer who wrote the autobiography of Albert Einstein. And this extract is taken from Albert's autobiography. And that autobiography was written by Patrick Pringle. So some points were taken here from his autobiography. So we are going to read about this. One more thing, मैं बता दूं आपको कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन को दुनिया जीनियस के नाम से जानती है. आज तक कोई और नहीं हुआ है जिसको जीनियस के नाम से जाना जाता है. जस्ट ओनली द वन पर्सन इज नोन एज जीनियस. ही इज एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. नो वन इज देयर. You can see the picture, you can see the photograph of Albert Einstein here. Yes, you can see. Albert Einstein was the greatest scientist of the world. So let's know more about Albert Einstein. Yes, Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm. In the German city of Ulm. So where did he born? He born in German city and he born in a Jewish family. We are going to read it again. So he took birth in a Jewish family in the German Empire. So he took birth. So first the thing is this, what is the Jewish एक religion है, Jewish एक धर्म है. जिस तरह से हमारा एक धर्म है, क्रिश्चियन लोगों का एक धर्म है, हिंदू जो मुसलमानों का एक धर्म है, उसी तरह से ज्यूइश लोग भी एक धर्म में आते हैं. There is a religion. And which type of this Jewish is? Yes, you know very well about. When we are going in a church, in that church there is a cross, and that cross, what is that cross? That cross is God Jesus, God Christ, which is known as God Christ. And these were the Jewish people. वो ज्यूइश लोग ही थे जिन्होंने गॉड क्राइस्ट को सूली पे टांगा था. उसके हाथों में, उसके पैरों में कील गाड़ दी थी और उसके क्रॉस पे लटका दिया था, चौराहे पे लटका दिया था. तो वही ये ज्यूइश लोग हैं और उन्हीं ज्यूइश लोगों में से एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन भी हैं. सो ही वॉज नोन एज फ्रिक मीन बिचारे मीन यूनिक, अजीब, विचित्र. यस, जाना जाता है. हिज हेड सीम टू लार्ज. उसका सिर जो था वो बहुत बड़ा था. His parents were Hermann Einstein and Pauline Koch. His father was Hermann Einstein and mother was Pauline Koch. His father was a salesman and engineer and his mother was a housewife. In 1880, the family moved to Munich. Up to the age of 2.5, 2.5 साल तक he was not speaking. नहीं बोल रहा था वो. He was not able to speak. नहीं बोलता था. Was able to speak but he was not speaking to anyone. So वो नहीं बातें करता था किसी से. The soup is too hot. These were the words spoken by him first time. And when he was 2.5 years old. और जब वो 2.5 साल का था तो तब सबसे पहले वर्ड उसके मुंह से निकले थे कि जो सूप है वो बहुत गर्म है. और वो these words were very clear and very good. उनकी टोन थी. So his friends and children were saying him brother boring because he was not speaking to anyone. So that's why the children and other friends of him saying him brother boring. Albert attended a Catholic elementary school in Munich. When they moved to Munich, they shifted to Munich. After some times, when he was 5 years old, he got admission in a Catholic elementary school in Munich. He used to love mechanical toys. और mechanical toys से वो प्यार करता था. So when his younger sister Maja born, he asked where her wheels were. तो जब उसकी बहन माजा पैदा हुई तो उसने पूछा कि इसके व्हील कहाँ पे हैं. At the age of 8, he was transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium. At that school now known as Albert Einstein Gymnasium. तो पहले स्कूल का नाम था ल्यूइटपोल्ड जिम्नेजियम, बट उस स्कूल को नाम चेंज दे दिया है, नाम बदल दिया है और उसका नाम रख दिया है एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन जिम्नेजियम. एंड In that school, he received his primary and secondary school education, and he lived in that school up to until he left the German Empire. And Einstein always excelled at maths and physics from a young age. कि वो छोटी सी उम्र से ही मैथ्स और फिजिक्स में वो एक्सेल्ड था, परफेक्ट था, एक्सीलेंट था. The 12 years old Einstein taught himself algebra and geometry over a single summer. In one summer, just only for one summer, for 2 or 3 months, he got everything about algebra and geometry. Einstein also independently discovered his own original proof of Pythagorean theorem at age 12. So in the age of 12, he know about the Pythagorean theorem, and Pythagorean theorem he gave the proof. He discovered that proof by himself. Einstein started teaching himself calculus at 12, and as a 14 years old he says that he had mastered integral and differential calculus. In 1895, at the age of 16, Einstein took the entrance examinations for the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, and he got admission there. When he was 16 years old, he obtained exceptional grades in physics and mathematics. And Serbian girl was there with him in Polytechnic School. In that Polytechnic School, in Swiss Federal Polytechnic School, there was a girl. The name of that girl was Mileva Mary, and that was a Serbian girl. Serbian. It is written here, Serbian girl. And next one is, her name was Mileva Mary. In 1902, he got a secure job. He got married with Mileva Mary. In 1903. They got divorced in 1990. He published his General Theory of Relativity in 1915. And 1919 he married again with his cousin Elsa. And in 1921 he was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physics. So this was some detail of Albert Einstein. Some more details are there. We are going to read about these all things and what did happen with him in his school. We will come to know when we are going to read the lesson. Some parts of the lessons we have done. Albert Einstein, known as the genius. No one is here who is known as genius. Just only one person is known in this world, and that is Albert Einstein. And Albert Einstein, when he was in school, he was sent to home by his teachers, and he gave a letter to him to give his mother, and he gave that letter to his mother. His mother read the letter, and after reading the letter, she got upset. Then Albert Einstein asked his mother, "Mom, what was written about me by my teacher?" Then his mother said, "It was written that you are extraordinary child, and teachers are not capable to teach you in that school. It is written." She was saying that you are an extraordinary and you can do the things differently. It was told in that letter. But in reality, what was written in that letter? It was written that your child is a freak. He was not able to do anything. So keep him at home. Don't send him school. So he was a Jewish, but he worked for the welfare of human being. So we will read more when we will read about our lessons. Thank you. Have a nice day.